again. Kasi utod ko kasi hasama lang ako 15 minutes. So okay, now we are ready nga i-perform daya nga o i-plug in dayang mga number iya sa aton nga inequality. So first 0 anay. So test A, 0 minus 7 wait lang, 0 minus 1 is less than 0. Abe, tanawan natin, abe. 0 minus 7. 0 minus 7 is negative 7. Negative 7. 0 minus 1. Negative 1 is less than 0. Negative 7 divided by negative 1. Pila? Positive 7. Negative divided by negative is positive. Now, is 7 less than 0? Mas maisut ba 7 sa 0? Sabat is false. Meaning, bukon it part, its solution, do numbers, tanan nga number iya, paadto ito sa ubos, tanan nga number, paadto ito sa ubos, bukon it part, it solution. So, x yun niya giro A. A, tanan nga numbers from A, bukot part, it solution. Next, sa letter B kita, test naton do 3. Okay, test naton do 3. So, 3 minus 7 over 3 minus 1 is less than 0. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Over 3 minus 1 is 2. Less than 0. Negative 4 over 2. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. 2, negative 2. Now, is negative 2 less than 0? Tama ba garon? Tama. Kasi, mas mabaho ro 0 kesa sa negative 2. Meaning, do B, any number from B, is part of the solution. Mapa 2 pa imaw, mapa 3, mapa 4, o mapa 2, mapa 3, mapa 4, mapa 5, mapa 6 is all part of the solution. Last natong test. Number 8 or 8. I-test naton. So 8 minus 7 over 8 minus 1, tanaw naton kung part that solution. 8 minus 7 pila is less than 0. 8 minus 7 is 6. 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 minus 1 is 1 pala, sorry. And 8 minus 1 is 7. Now, is 1 over 7 less than 0? Kung tanaw naton, ag-zoom in naton, kung mapansin man abi ninyo, dayang 1, 7 is positive, di ba? Positive anang sign. Now, kung negative akong ta ra imaw, truth aro equation. Pero dahil positive da imaw, this is false. Okay? Meaning, do tanan nga number nga from 7 or from 8 gali, not including 7, from 8 paadto ito sa positive infinity will not make this inequality true. So siin malang do region nga makasatisfy sa inequality, daya malanga region. Meaning, daya imo nga solution. Daya imo kutuman. Kutuman imo raya. Ibig sabihin karon, daya nga region is part of the solution. Now, kung imong isabat doon sa notation, imong notation dayon karon, imong sabat or solution, imong solution set, solution nimo karon, the solution is all numbers from 1 to 7 but not including 7. Araray mong sabat. Dari mo nga sabat. Okay. Now, if included man na, for example, if man na sa imong test kaina, dahil imong test kaina, true ta imaw. True man na ro 7 ha, ag true man do 1 man na, for example. Kung true man na ro 7 and true do 1, do imo nga gamiton bukon ay parenthesis kundi bracket. Haron ta dapat dun imaw, bracket. Kasi included sanda. Pero if bukon sanda included, pares sa dayang problem, atong gamiton is parenthesis. Again, if included, if boundaries, lang aton lang gamiton high red. If boundaries are included, parenthesis aton gamiton. Parenthesis are included gali sa bracket aton nya gamiton. If boundaries are not included, parenthesis aton nya gamiton. Again ha, ito yun inyong tandaan. So, inyong sabat karon is daya solution.